you to show why some customers we ask me, Joyce, why your sample cake is not that uniform, the round cake. So today I have invited our technician, Mr. Gong, to show you how we cut and how we make this sample cake.
倒出去是个细饼。
Okay. ，Okay, you will see that because our EPDM rubber polymer content is very high, so it has a very strong tensile strength, and it's not that easy to cut it. Yeah. Okay, so if you can imagine that if the EPDM rubber is a little fragile, it will be easily cut very easily into the tangle. While because our tensile strength is very high and it's very strong and hard to cut it down. So this is the reason.